Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on Storage Manager in Motorola Edge 15 Neo phone. So where to look for this function and how to enable it. First we need to go to Settings. Then in Settings we are looking for Storage option menu. And here is our Storage Manager with its switch. So first of all we can turn it on. And now, as you can see, the storage is now managed by the Storage Manager. Of course, we can tap this option here, and now we have a few more options. For example, remove photos and videos over 90 days or 60-30. We can switch whatever we want from here. But to simply turn it on, we need to tap this switch only. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.